So back in the car again. This time it's actually an SUV, not a car. And this trip I don't have Ed. As opposed to the last few videos I had in the car. Anyway, I am heading to Carowinds. Meant to record this last night, but I forgot when I got there. I was like, oh right, I put the suction cup in the GoPro aside just for that. But I am going for the daytime. I think it's the Pumpkin Fest. I have a new dental appliance. It sucks. Sorry about that. I love that they're playing Nightmare on My Street. Hell yeah, their sky towers working. So many parks with these rides, they don't work. But we're going to take a look at some of the scare zones from up there. Here I am on the line. This is a show I watched last night. There's another show today, I think, but I need to be here for the parade. Hopefully I'll be putting that in this video. Hopefully I'll make it. I really do like this park. Flew right past it yesterday, but well, my plane seat didn't have a window, which was weird. Well, let's see what's in Graveyard Games. Here's the pricing for the games. I'm not going to play any, but I'll show you them. Like a winner every time. Those are cute. Ooh, so close. Man, is this game corny. Oh yeah, maybe I should show you the sign first. If you thought that joke was bad, I didn't even make this bad joke. I probably would miss too.
I don't know if you made it or not. I guess not.
You know, I'll be honest, this looks hard. I'm sure I would miss every single time. Cast a spell. You might have to cast a spell to make it in. Here's the prizes for the cast a spell. Here's the creepy crawlers. You have to actually knock those off, which also looks kind of tricky. You look at the spiders, they're like, hey, knock it off.
Good, you made contact.
Some prizes over here. And over here. Frankenstriker. It's a winner every time. So, a little hammer and bell thing. And get these little all head, no body Frankensteins. Okay. Really cute though. Small, and choice. This prize is very choice. Reminds me of Ferris Bueller's Day Off. And that's a look at Graveyard Games. Really cute area. I like it. Clad T pieces. She is beloved zookeeper until the end. Oh, they look mad. It's a cute hearse. I think it's custom made though. Some of the ones I've seen other parks look like they might be real. They're probably all fabricated for the park, but it is nice.
Fresh off the train from Skellytown, please welcome the Skeletones!
It was a zombie jamboree, places in New York Cemetery. Oh, it was a zombie jamboree, places in New York Cemetery. Zombies from all over. Some of them were break my lips from the eye. Hi, welcome to Carowinds,
Where the Carolinas come together.
We are the Skeletones.
I'm Skelly.
I'm Scarlett.
I'm Skeet.
I'm Skipper.
And I'm Sky. We all met at osteology camp where we discovered we all love to sing.
Actually, I'm a botanist.
Oh yeah? What's your favorite tree?
A bonsai.
Hey!
I know a guy who's tough and sweet.
Whoa.
He's a fine, he can't be beat.
No. day or night. I started kissing everything inside until I kissed the cop down on 34th and Vine. He broke my little bottle of love potion. Season 4. Love potion number 9. Love potion number 9.
I put a spell on you. You know I ain't lying. Hey, you know I can't stand it. All you're running around. You know better, darling. Can't stand it when you're not around.
She goes up like a rose, but everybody knows she'll get you inside. You can look, but you better not touch.
It's driving me out of my mind. That's why it's hard for me to find. Can't get it out of my head. Mr. Lover,
Poison ivy.
on the streets of Paris, Chef Jacques always taught me: you don't stir, you don't shake, you mash. I was working in the lab late one night when my eyes beheld an eerie sight, for my monster from his slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise,
We did the mash,
they did the monster
the
mash.
monster mash.
It was a graveyard
We
smash.
did the mash,
It caught on in a
we
flash.
did the mash.
They did the monster mash.
Yeah, you say you love me, baby. Well, this ain't a lost in town. I got just one deal to make that now be trouble bound. They say that you're a doll, and with you I'll keep on. I think they're talking about the kind of doll you stick your pin in. You're my voodoo doll.
You're my voodoo voodoo doll.
You're my voodoo doll.
You're my voodoo voodoo doll.
Ba-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum.
I told the witch doctor I was in love with you. I told the witch doctor I was in love with you. And then the witch doctor, he told me what to do. And he said, ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah, ting, tang, wah, bing, bang. Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah, ting, tang, wah, bing, bang.
Thanks, everybody. We've been the Skeletones.
I'm Ski.
I'm Skipper. I'm Scarlet.
I'm Scully.
I'm Sky.
Thank you so much for coming. We've got more shows tomorrow, and don't forget to check out the Tricks and Treats Parade later this afternoon. Bye, everyone. Happy Halloween.
Bye.
Voyage.
You know, I'll be honest, I did actually forget about the parade. Do I spot some spoilers? Heck yeah, here we go.
Okay, all you goblins and ghouls, it's your turn to get in on the fun. Where are all my ghostly groupies out there? All right. shaking their roots. Come on and follow us if you dare. Ooh, that big okay, you get tagged. Get out here and show us your wicked roots. So come on now, it's spooky time! Let's turn those monster meters up a notch.
Well, friends, that's a wrap on our Tricks and Treats parade. But stick around. In just a moment, we're going to have the sweetest treat of all. That's right, it'll be our Tricks and Treats Sweet Soiree Dance Party. Oh, it's going to be so much fun. So spooky. I am King Jack, and I'll be your sweet MC for this evening of frightful fun.
Evening, it's 4:06 p.m.
Don't be afraid of my monsters, they just like to dance. Would you like to hear some? Of course you would. So, what is a vampire's favorite fruit? A blood orange! How do you fix a broken jack-o'-lantern? With a pumpkin patch! What do you call a witch at the beach? A sandwich! Who is the leader of the candy corn? The Colonel! If you're in the spooky circle in the middle, that means you've got to show off your dance moves. Everyone in the middle, start dancing!
Jump, jump, jump. And now it's time to go into Camp Snoopy. Not sure what this is, but yes, I also missed this. I'm sorry. But at least I can avoid shooting people's kids, which I always try to do. This is the Great Pumpkin Fest poster, I guess. Got some decorations over here. I wonder whose pumpkin that is. This looks really cool. It looks better at night, of course, but I do have a video clip of it from last night. Came all the way back in the park just to make sure I rode the Woodstock Express. This is a great coaster. I love it. And I wasn't coming all the way to Carowinds and not riding it. Yes, it's not the scariest roller coaster here, but too bad. If you like airtime, sit in the back. You get a pretty big ejection for a kid's ride. How about a quick walk through Peppermint Patty's hay bale maze? So, you're gonna turn over here. Oh, look, it's Snoopy. And, oh no! Wait, no, that's not it. Oh, look, it's a round-headed kid. Let's see. Oh, it's definitely this way. Yes. Here we go, and, no, that's not the right way either. Okay. Come over here. Oh, look, it's Snoopy. Ah. Foiled again. Okay. Now, I'm not sure if this is actually just growing because it's hay. I think it is. It's about round-headed kid again. So we're going to walk over this way, and we're going to walk right out of the... Oh. Okay. Gonna go over here. At least they're not scary, although she looks like she is kind of mean. But she's an angel. The angel will watch over me, so we're good. It's not scary, and we finally made it out. All right. Woo. Woodstock cookie corn maze, not just a regular corn maze. Okay, here we go. Ready? Okay, I think I'm gonna go here. Okay, no. Okay, it's not that way. Hey, it's Chuck. Oh, that's so cute. Walk over here. Nope, that's not it. Oh, Snoopy's using a telescope. Isn't that cheating? So, let's see. Okay, so it's not that way. Okay, here we go. Ready? No. No. Okay, so we're gonna go this way. Oh. Wait, it's over here. No. Should probably doing a kid's height, but whatever. So not that way. Oh, that's so cute. So. Oh. Ooh, that was spooky. So there she is as a witch again. So we're gonna go that. Not that way. Ah, Snoopy. She's very, very disappointed in me. Oh, I think I got it. Woo! I made it! And here are all the candy stations. Unfortunately, I'm out of time. I have to go to the airport, but at least I got some shot. Here's another candy station. And then another maze. It's a great pumpkin patch. Now, the cool thing about this is each kid can grab one of these little pumpkins and take it home. I guess it only makes it a maze because there is kind of a dead end here, but I'm not throwing a shade. It is actually really cute. And the main point of this, of course, is to get a free pumpkin.